Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger Nano S. First, carefully unbox your device and use the included USB cable to plug it into your computer. Next, navigate to the official Ledger website to download and install the Ledger Live application. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear on-screen prompts to initialize your Nano S, which includes setting up a secure 4 to 8-digit PIN code for device access. After setting your PIN, the device will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Write these words down precisely on the recovery sheet and store it in a very secure, offline location. This phrase is your only backup. Then, open Ledger Live, connect your Nano S, and enter your PIN. Navigate to My Ledger to install the necessary cryptocurrency applications, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, onto your device. To receive cryptocurrency, open Ledger Live, select the Receive option, and choose the account. Your Ledger Nano S will display a receiving address. Always verify this address matches what's shown in Ledger Live. Copy this verified address to send funds to your ledger. For sending crypto, select Send in Ledger Live, input the recipient's address and amount, then carefully confirm all transaction details on your Nano S device before approving. Protecting your crypto is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone, as it provides complete access to your funds. Always double-check all transaction details directly on your Ledger Nano S screen before confirming, as this display is secure from computer malware. Regularly update your Ledger Live software and device firmware for optimal security. And for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.